fine live right now. Currently trading um, micros for NQ, so MNQ, and on a combine. Um, Goal target is to have the whole as a whole about $9,000. I currently have 4,500 like done. I have to make another 4,500. Could be today, could be within this week. So I'm gonna try to push it. It is 150 combine, under 150,000 combine. So that is why the goal is to 9,000. So trading with Top Step, and yeah, I'm just testing things out right now with them. When I'm not trying to take big trades right now. We have about 12 minutes until the actual market opens. Pre-market is open, obviously, but it's 8 o'clock, 8:18 right now, Central Time, CST. So. All right, the market has. Let's see. Let's look at the 15-minute. It's down currently, 97 points, and I know it's short week today. I mean this week, I guess. I'm very likely gonna go to minis. Um, when the market opens in 10 minutes. Let me see if there's any news. Any major one at least. I'm looking at financial juice, by the way, so. Okay, so today, right? Bostic spoke about an hour ago. Ghostly? Yeah, Ghostly spoke. Oh, we have the U.S. new home sales at 9, so in about, give or take, half an hour, 45 minutes. So, yeah, nothing big. Cook speaks at 9:30, so. Interesting. I say interesting because went below this line, went below the support. We could see more downside. I'm really hoping I can get some nice trades off the open, but you never know. Let's see. We have a big gap here, like a big old gap right here. It's like there's a big gap here right here. So I'm just gonna hold on. Let's see. I'm just gonna do a horizontal line. There. While we're waiting, we have like about 5 minutes anyways. I'm just gonna tell you what why I'm doing this. Doing this as in streaming in general or trading in general, and why I'm trading prop firms and the journey across it, I guess. I personally had like I traded since I guess I got into trading like right at the cusp of 2020, and I really got into it, and it took me a while to like learn and stuff. I've been profitable like a lot. I'm at currently, let's say if I were to add everything together, I'm in like break even, almost like I'm in profit, but like close to break even in total. I won't tell you like how much, but and I started futures in about a year ago, and through prop firms, found about prop firms and what their concept was. I found that really attractive, and been doing it since about a year, a little less than a year. Um, Blowing a lot of accounts, believe me, blowing a lot of accounts, but it took me about 6 months until I started being um, like passing accounts. But then the next problem was um, the the next problem was the fact that there was a shift in mindset once you get into an XFA or a funded account level, where sure you pass like the evaluation account, but once you get the funded level, I don't know what happens, at least for me, where maybe it's the fact that maybe I become greedy or something like that. I don't know what it is. Like I want to make money fast, so all my plans that I've made, strategy I've made, go out the window. And it's just like I've been trying to work on it myself, I think, and I also doing this for that, like for accountability, so it's recorded and people are watching, right? And it's not really a great stream. I'm doing my best to do this, but and yeah, so accountability, and hopefully while doing this you guys see how I trade, and hopefully get profitable, like get greatly profitable. And yeah, I wanted to show that. I wanted to keep myself accountable from what my actions are. It's recorded, it's there, and yeah. But yeah, I don't want it to turn into another funded account. Like from Combine, sure, passing it fine, but after you get, but even you pass it, you get the funded account. You, I don't want it to like be like, oh, first day win, second day lose, and third day win, and fourth day you just lose it all or something like that. So I don't want to like, I don't want to do that again, because I have done that. That is why I'm like, I'm trying to be super transparent and honest about this, because it's hard. Like, at least the mindset part, it's definitely hard. So I'm trying to keep myself accountable by doing this. So yeah. But yeah. Oh, looks like market's moving a little, even though we have about 3 minutes until the open. So yeah. By the way, if you're here, I'm sure you already know what like prop firms are. Like, that's the whole concept, where like you pay like a certain amount and they give you their money to trade with. You have to pass like a test, and then they give you funded account. So that's basically. I'm not gonna go deep into this, but yeah. 90 seconds until we get started. Let's see. We have about 30 seconds, give or take, until the market opens. Well, until the open itself. It's micros, so that's why I'm just like going about it. I'm probably gonna take it off like about 75 level. So I'm gonna put one there, so an order there. Yup, that didn't go well, right? Did it? I'm gonna exit out soon. Let's see how heavy it's gonna be. It looks like they're holding up. Yeah, it looks like the 1 minute's holding right now. This is, by the way, this 250 tick. Keep in mind. That was an insane seller at the 60s level. Holy cow. That's insane. Looks like we continue on the weakness side here. Let's see if we pass 60, 65 levels here. Yeah, it's really holding. Look at that. Look at those wicks on the 1 minute. Check the 5 minute. Yeah, it's ripping through 60s right now. It's at least trying to. Look at that. check 30 seconds here. Oh, well, 30 seconds MNQ. That's different. Looks like it's gonna bounce off that downwards. By the way, I don't usually do micros. Keep in mind, so I'm just doing it for testing and for the stream. Just I do minis. I do normally do minis. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Actually, I'm not sure if you can hear order failed. Order failed. Yep, that another one. Last one. Let me check the 15-minute here. Yeah, I'm gonna exit out here. Don't wanna risk anything here. Keep the profits. Let me see what 30 seconds. Oh, I'm not gonna do minis anymore. I'm just gonna go back to. Sorry, I'm not gonna do micros anymore. I'm gonna go back to minis. You'll see there's a big difference between it's like 10x difference. Why is there no 21 EMA? Yeah, I do EMAs, by the way, for what do you call it? For my what was that? Oh, I didn't change it. Orange, apply, save, and apply. Okay, and then change the 45 to purple, because that's me. Well, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, still is not looking bullish per se right now. It is bouncing off at the 42 level there, but I'm still not. Let's see if we can get through the 70s here. Pretty big hesitation there. Yeah, nobody's buying. Let's see. It's an odd thing to have within the first 5 minutes where it's not doing much per se. I'll say that because usually it is aggressive at the open. Let's see. If we pass like the 70 level, I mean the 80 level here, I may look for a long. The double bottom here, at the 250 take, but you know. I want to see a big push up, and then once it goes down, I'll take a long as a retest. It's definitely a tough tape to read. Yeah, 15-minute is, let's see how it's yeah, it's looking trash. It's actually looking pretty trashy. I'm gonna try shorting if it rejects here at the 80 level, if it even tries to go up there again. Seems like tech is super weak right now. Taking a short. I might add it into it. Let's see if it rejects 70 here. Let's see how it's doing on 30 seconds. It's interesting looking. I'm going to take a sell here, another add to the short. I'm hoping for the 60s to break to the downside here. Nice. Flush to the downside there. Take one out. I'm gonna get it. Get one out right before the low here. That should fill out. Good stuff there. 455 there on the two lot. Alright, let's see what's the reactions here. I'm assuming it's gonna snap more, but hey, profit's profit. Let's see what's the reaction. There we go. Let's see if it bounces here. It shouldn't bounce here at all, because the only reason I said could bounce here is because of one reason and one reason only, is because of this line where I made the downtrend. It has bounced at that downtrend. So let's see. Let's see how long can it go. Is there any place I can? So let me check the 1 hour. I don't see anything until maybe the 13 level here, or then all the way down to the 338, which is kind of insane, but hey, it's NQ, you never know. It's already down today, negative 150 ticks. Now let's see if it bounces here. I'm gonna take a small buy here. I'll go back to 5 minutes here on this chart. Let's see if it bounces here. I don't think it will actually. I added one more there. It's too big of a flow down for it not to have a pullback here. But that mindset might not be a good thing to have right now. There's no actual support. Let's see though. Let's see what the 30 seconds looking like. It is looking hopeful, I'll say that. Let me check. There you go. Let me go back to ticks. You know why I put this here? It's half of the 5-minute candle. That's why I put it there. That's why I wanted to sell there, because that's where usually it goes up there and it reacts, and it's reacting right now. But let's see. Took one out. I'm gonna take this one out too. Yeah, I'm gonna take that one out there. Don't want to risk that. It doubled. You know, one of the big reasons I took that trade was because first the 5-minute, if you can see, it's almost like a double bottom, or a clear one, and I could go even further. Look at that. So may not be the best technical analysis, but hey, it's working, at least for me, a little bit. So I'm not the best trader here. I will never claim to be, but it's working right now. Up currently. Let's see, front and center. 1,036. That's with that's with commissions. 1,036 because hold on, let me see if it streams. So 1,025 on the mini, and then 36, 33 on the micros. But yeah. All right. gonna go on the 1 minute. Let's see if it's reacting on the 45 EMA. Because that's what it did here. Let's see, let me go back to 250 range here. 250 ticks. And look, you want to grab one here. Grab short here. Let me see the 15 minute on this side. I'm gonna wait it out a little. Maybe not. I'll go back to 5 minutes. Yeah, it's still pushing right now, so cannot want to short that right now. Always remember confirmations. I've gotten so messed up thinking, oh, it's gonna go up, but I haven't confirmed that by the candles. I really thought at this point it was gonna go down because it touched the 21 EMA. But keep in mind, the 5 minutes was saying something else. So was the 15 minute. It's a pretty strong green candle there. So you don't want to fight the trend. It's not like this. But yeah, until you get a confirmation, you have to. You can be changing biases. Well, technically, you shouldn't have a bias per se because you should be adapting to the market. You can't be like, oh, I'm feeling, I don't know, like it's gonna be the market's gonna go up today. You can't do that. You have to react to the price action. Yeah. All right, let's see. That was a nice move up there actually. Why didn't I go on that actually? I mean, hindsight is always weird. Like, isn't it? It's like it's always weird. Like, you're like, oh shoot, I should have done that. Actually, the funny thing is, one of the biggest indicators for me, right, is the crossover event of these EMAs. When the 9 EMA is above the 21 and the 45, that's when it's gonna go up. I'm sure you have noticed here as well. You will be noticing it here. Actually, I'm not sure if it's a good thing to see it on. I'll show it to you anyways. So, crossover event right here. Let me go closer. It crossed the 9 EMA, the green one, went below the 45 and the 21. Here. But you have to wait until along with those, you have to also look at the charting and resistance here. Like here, right? You have to look at this area. The moment it went below this, right? Below this, there was a confirmation here. Like it went below this and there was like a move back up. That's when you know, okay, it's gonna keep going down because it broke a support, along with the fact that the 9 EMA was the below, and then 21, then 45. At least that's what my thought is and strategy is. in those two particular plays, I didn't do that. Um, but I knew that it was gonna go down because of the fact that 9 EMA was like at the bottom. But I was keeping. I don't know if you remember or not, but I also like looked at the charting of it, the charting of like how was the 5 minute, how where the candles were exactly, what was the trend looking like at the time. So let's see. Excuse me. Let's check. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'll try something actually. Look at this. I love the toothless one. The toothless meme, and that song. I can't even copy that. It's hilarious. But let's get back to the game. Based on the 5 minute, there should be based on the 5 minute and the 15 minute, there should be a pullback here, like some sort of like yeah, pullback down and then maybe up. Based on the previous trend right here, it has just gone up. Let's see if it passes 83, 85 area. If past the 80s, let's see. Farmers look interesting. What is that? Is it pulling back? Let's see if it's gonna keep pulling back. Alright, seems like it's trying to pull back right now. I just want to make sure before I actually try to do something about it. Let's go 30 seconds, just see how it is. What the hell is it? 30 seconds. Interesting. I wonder if it's gonna bounce off the Viva band there. This is the blue Viva band. Oh, the 30 seconds still looking bullish right now. We have about less than about. Oh my god. We got less than about 1 minute. We got about 1 minute until the news, which is the new home sales units. Keep in mind the forecast is 0.675 million. Previous was 0.661 million. Let's see how it is. Alright, good. I don't want to take a trade right now because it will be crazy a little. Alright, 9 o'clock. And 602, so a little cooler than expected. It's like about 0.3% negative. I'll look at do want to take a short up here. Let's see though. The home sale is good news for the Fed, but let's see. I'm gonna take a short right here if it goes below that. Put an order there. Did I even? Oh, I didn't fill out right now. What am I going? Let me go back to 250 ticks. There we go. This is stop field I got in and play. Oh, so you can hear the voice, the big old voice. You can't, not can, but yeah. I don't want it to bounce, obviously, but I'm surprised they didn't sell into this more. I'm gonna take a short. I'm gonna add to it. The only reason I'm adding because it's still holding a red on the 5-minute bar here. I may or may not add it as it goes down. Let's see. I'll wait then. It's really holding that 70 levels. Okay, I might set one of them, like take out one of them at 64 level. So that's like about what, 12 points? Let me add another one there. Well, that's that. One of the biggest problems I have is like stops. I added another short, so I have 4 contracts right now on this. There we go. Keep going, keep going. I see you reacting to that 5-minute level. Let's go, come on. Don't do that. That's annoying. Oh, the choppiness is super annoying. Check out 30 seconds looking like. Not that good actually. It's not looking too good. I'm gonna go back to the 250 ticks. I really want to enter this phase here. I would love that. Yeah. Just using that as a support. And they pushed above the 83 into the weave up. They're really coming in. Those orders are like pushing it up. I'm gonna take it out. And there you go. That's how you lose all of that. It is gonna go down, I know, but like I just I'm not sure when. The VWAP's hitting there. It has to like react to it. I'm gonna take it out really early. Like I don't want to push it like that. That's that, I guess. Let me check the 15-minute on this. I wouldn't be surprised if it reacts here. I'm gonna do a sell here. I'm gonna put an order at the 12 level. The reason being of that 45 EMA on the 15 minutes. Okay, and add it in. I hope it doesn't bounce up like it crazy or something. I want to see a weakness here. 15 level here. I added 6 contracts here. Big risk, but let's see. I know I'm being too aggressive here, but I'm confident in this play. Come on, it's really chopping. It's really holding. That's 15, 13 level there. We should see sell pressure below the 510. He's just holding that spot though. It's just not happening right now. They're really holding that level. The follow through is so not there. It's just annoying. I'm going to change the 5-minute here. I'm really trying to catch that move to down. So the 5 minutes looking really nice for that. Would really like to see a follow through downwards here. Oh, come on. This 510 level is really old, isn't it? Just look at this. But the 5 minutes looking really weird. Look at that. Don't like this move at all. If we get this, it's gonna be a big breakdown. Keyword if. Big size came in, 40 ticks, a 40 lot. Yeah, I may get stopped out. I really do want to get. I do want it to have like a double top, but the 5 minutes looking now. It's looking good now. I just needed to lose steam. Come on. Let me see the 15. 15 minutes. That's. Come on, keep going. I see you. I see you. That double tap needs to stick. Okay, good open on a 5 minute there, sort of. The red. The red candle open. It's not above it, above the previous candle. Oh, come on, don't do that. Don't bounce there. Do not bounce there. I know you want to go down. It's a matter of when. Chopping around at this level is insane. Excuse me. I know I'm really aggressive right now. I know that for a fact. I get that, believe me. Yeah, I don't know. I think I got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out there. Mm, it is what it is. What can you do? Well, down. Alright, that's one way to start a combine. Alright, that's where I'll draw the line, I guess, literally. Well, that's the end of my stream. Hopefully, whoever watches this gets a sort of a lesson, I guess. But, yeah. Take care, guys.